Your vehicle is a major investment that you rely on every day. Protecting your vehicle by changing the oil regularly is the most important routine maintenance there is. Our factory-trained and certified technicians will help you determine the best maintenance schedule for your engine. Our oil changes use OEM parts and supplies made specifically for your vehicle. Scheduled conventional oil changes are crucial to lubricating and cooling your engine's moving parts, fewer emissions, and better fuel economy, preventing wear and protecting your engine, cleaning sludge and deposits, and extending the life of your engine. Trust us to keep you moving. Schedule an appointment today.